Come test drive the 2022 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, front-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.